lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara, and in this video we're going to be continuing working on getting this fence set up, but there's one area I still have to address before I can really complete this fence project. So this area here, I need to clean this area and see if I need to pour concrete here. I think I do. I was gonna put the post right there for the fence, but I don't know if I want to do that without pouring concrete first. So let me clean up this little area here and see what we got underneath. All right, so I dug everything else, all the rubbish that was there out. As you can see, our concrete actually goes all the way to the property line. I don't know what happened in here, if the concrete just broke up like you can see there. But whatever the case may be, I'm going to pour new concrete up to where the gate is there. That gate is gonna go away at some point. But yeah, I have to pour concrete up to the gate, or at least up to the footers for the poles, the posts for the gate. So I think I'm gonna do that, and then it's gonna go all the way up to the garage on this side. I need some more gravel, some more concrete, so I'm not gonna bore you with all of that. I'm just gonna snap my fingers. 1, 2, 3. It's done. At least this part is done. Now all I have to do is put the post here. So I'm gonna have to dig new holes, and then I can add the cross supports like I did there to here. And yeah, and then we can start putting up the pickets. But I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. I didn't want to go too close to the supports for the old posts, because I'm gonna dig all that out when I widen the sidewalk for the backyard. So yeah, and luckily this gate opens inward and not outward, so I won't have a hard time getting things in and out of the gate while I'm waiting to finish the backyard sidewalk. Hello, my lovelies. It's a few days later. I got a really late start today, so I'm gonna see how far I can get with these pickets along the fence. I did realize that my upper brace is too high, so I have to lower that. And then I'm gonna add the pickets as far as I can go today. We'll see how far I can get. I'm already kind of running out of steam, so I got a Red Bull. Let's get to it. I put this test picket up here just to see how high I wanted it off the ground. I didn't want it too far off the ground, but I didn't want it right next to the concrete either. So I think this is a good height. As you can see, it's too high for the picket. I mean, you can see the little metal brace, so I'm gonna have to bring this down. But this is my string line down to keep the top of it even and level. So we'll see how this goes. so I finished this side, almost finished. I still have this little piece here, but I'm gonna have to cut that. But most of this panel is done. I just have to get this one done. I got maybe half an hour of light left. So I'm gonna work on that until it gets too dark. Okay, so I think I can officially call it sundown. The sun has gone down, so I am done for the day, and tomorrow come back and finish the rest of the stretch there. So this is what it's looking like so far. I still have to put this post up over here and finish the rest of the fence, and then I'll be done. Obviously, I had a little bit left there. Again, I have to rip up one of these pickets to the right length and then put it up, but looking good so far. All right, friends, I spent most of the day today building the last little section so that I can add the pickets to this part, and I know I don't have enough pickets, so I'm gonna have to go back to the hardware store and get more, but it's already kind of late, so I think I'll wait until tomorrow, and then we'll finish up all of the rest of this and the little pieces that I didn't do yesterday, and then we'll be done for this project, for this video. In the next video, I'm gonna be doing the gate at the very end of this long alleyway here. So look forward to that. All right, my friends, I finally got more pickets, so I'm gonna finish up this fence and hopefully we can get it done before the sun goes down. I got another late start today, so that is the goal. So let me get to it. Okay, this is what it's looking like from my neighbor's side. So editing Jakara here, just in case you're wondering why I put the pretty side on the neighbor side, I am following a Chicago ordinance in which, at least when I looked it up online, it's an ordinance where the pretty side has to be towards your neighbor. It's called a good neighborly ordinance or whatever. Also, it's supposed to kind of prevent or deter people from trying to climb your fence into your yard. So the pretty side is supposed to be on the outer part of the fence, and the working side is on the inner side where your property is. At least that's according to the ordinance. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty pleased with it. I'm gonna have to cut the posts later, cut them down. Pretty happy with that. And this is what it looks like from our side. Pretty straight. Pretty happy. There are a couple pieces that I didn't get to cut because I just ran out of time. That's like this little piece here, and then there's another small piece here that I'm gonna have to cut, but I can do that later. But this part is done. So excited. And this is the way it looks when you go look down the alleyway. So when I'm ready to get rid of this chain link fence, I can just break all this concrete here, and then I'm gonna widen the sidewalk to what I have here all the way down the yard. Anyway, All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And stay tuned for the next video, which should be in a couple weeks. I'm going to be doing a gate at the end of this alleyway, similar to the way the fence is here. So it's going to be as high as this, and yeah, it's gonna have pickets as well. So we're gonna be constructing a gate in the next video. If you wanna see how that turns out, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload that video. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.